We will discuss about meteors and constellations. Then after, we will discuss about location and shape of the Earth. The same, we will also discuss pole star, latitude and longitude. They are artificial lines drawn on the globe of the Earth. They are not natural, but they are artificial line. Then we will discuss about GPS. It is available in every mobile. What is GPS? How can we use? We will discuss here. After that, two major longitude. They are Greenwich line and International Date line. Which are they? How they are useful? What is their location? Etc. We will discuss in this topic. After that, we will discuss about different zones of the Earth. These zones are divided according to the temperature. Torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Then we will discuss about motions, different motions of the Earth. As you know, Earth has two types of motion. Rotation, Earth moves or rotates on its axis. Because of this, we experience days and nights. Then revolution, second motion. Here, the Earth revolves around the sun. And because of this, we experience different seasons. Then we also discuss about day and night, length of day and night, how it is happen throughout the year. Similarly, the position of Earth throughout the year in different months. Then we discuss about seasons. Because of revolution, we experience different seasons here. Which are they? How it occurs? We will discuss. Next point is Uttarayan and Dakshinayan. Uttarayan we call Makar Sankranti when sun moves towards the north direction. And Dakshinayan here when the sun moves towards the south direction. And its effects. Equinox, here we will discuss when the sun faces the equator. It faces equator twice in the year. Then we discuss about leap year. As you know, every month has particular days, 30 or 31. But February, it has 28 days, and after every 4 years, there is 29 days. What is this? Why it is? We will discuss. Then, next topic we discuss about eclipse. We call it Grahan, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, Surya Grahan and Chandra Grahan. How it happen? What is effect? We will discuss in this chapter. One by one, we will move towards each topic. Yes, Mukati, read whatever you can see on the screen.
Yes, our sun is the unlimited start on मखंडी
Mandakini, Mandakini,
मंडला के लिए गैलेक्सी में मिल्की
Milky Way,
वे it is surrounding by may all small and big
stars.
stars. Earth in is one such ball. All these are sun and gravitation
These are recognized as planets.
of the planet, and all these planets rotate the sun around the sun in a circular for
Circular, beta.
these plants do not have light of their
On.
one. They are limited by the light of the sun. These plants of social system are the different size and forms. All these plants together make solar family or solar system.
Very good, beta. Good try. Here is not plants but planets. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Here is the instruction or introduction about solar system. Our sun, as we know, it is self-illuminated star. It provides lights It is a part or member of our galaxy. The name of our galaxy is Mandakini. It is also called Milky Way. Our sun is surrounded by many small and big stars and planets. Our Earth is also one such ball surrounded to the sun. All of them are recognized as planets. Star has light, planet has no light. Due to gravitational force, when you use magnet, at that time you can get gravitational force. Due to gravitational force, all planets rotate and revolves around the sun in a circular form. All of the planets do not have light. They use the light of sun or they get the light from the sun because sun is self-illuminated while planets are not. These all planets are considered as the member of solar family. Their size is different, feature is different, forms is different, but together all of them make solar family. We also call it solar system. This way solar system is.
Sir, I have book. Can I read?
No one, what I say, I will announce the name. No one will read, no one will write comments. Sakaria Mahek. One by one,
Yes, sir.
according to serial number, I will speak the name.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
The planets, sa- satis-
Satellites,
satellites,
satellite,
satellites, small planets, come, comes
comets,
and
meteors.
met, meteors and included in our solar system. So let's get acquainted
Acquaint,
acquainted with this solar system. At first, let now the sun let's know the sun as the key member of the solar system.
yes. In solar system, solar family, as we have discussed, there are many planets, satellites, small planets, big planets, comets, meteors, etc. These all sky objects or celestial objects are included. And these all make solar family or solar system. So first of all, we need to know about this sun because sun is the key member of solar family or solar system. Balda once.
Sir,
Continue.
we
Balda
are
once.
familiar with the sun. Our daily work began with the sunrise. Sun is the honored
Honored.
star. It is considered as the giver of life on earth. The sun is about 13 million times longer than
Larger.
earth. If you want to make a revolution around sun, you sit in a plane running at a velocity of 1000 km. It will take 107 years to complete the revolution. Gravity force of
Great estimate.
is 28 times more than the depth of earth.
Yes. Now it is the information related to sun. We are familiar with the sun. Every day we both see. Our day started with rising sun and ends with setting of sun. Daily work begins with the rising of sun. Sun is also honored star. We worship sun as God. And sun, it is considered as giver of life on the earth because life is possible on the earth because of sun. Sun has major role in this. The sun is about 13 million times larger than the earth. 13 million earth combined make a sun. Again repeat, 13 million earth combinedly make a sun.
Sir,
Second
all
thing,
I think in chat box so many times. Can I read? Can I read? Can I read?
Again, repeat, no one will type any comments. If you want to make a revolution, means a circle around the sun, you sit and plan running 1000 kilometer speed. You will take 107 years to complete one revolution around the sun.
107 years.
Thing, gravitational force. As we know, because of gravitation, who is typing? Palani, Riya, Agravat, Harmeet. Stop. Gravitational force here and Earth. The difference is 28. Means Sun has 28 times more gravitational force than the Earth. In other words, we can say whatever the thing you carry here, its weight is 1 kilogram. If you carry the same thing on the surface of the sun, practically it is not possible, but we are comparing. In the surface of the earth, at that time its weight 28 kilogram. 1 kilogram on earth, 28 kilogram on the sun. Next one is Jagar Astha.
Okay, sir.
I will speak serial number only.
Hence, the weight of a substance on Earth weighs 1 kg on Earth. It would weigh 28 kg on the surface of Sun. It is because of this gravitational force only that the planets are in their particular path and revolve on it. The Earth is about 15 kilometers away from Sun. It takes about quarter past 8 minutes for sunlight to reach the Earth.
Very good. Yes, I have just discussed. Whatever the weight of a thing on the earth, if it is 1 kilogram on the earth, that means when you carry the same thing on the sun, at that time, the weight of the same thing, it will be 28 kilogram. And why? It is because of gravitational force of the sun. It gravitational force, because of this, planets are surrounding the sun and revolves around it. The earth is about, just a minute, 15 kilometers away from the sun. No, not 15, typing error. It is typing error. 15 millions kilometers away from the sun. It takes about quarter past 8 minutes. Quarter past 8 minutes to reach the surface of the earth, sunlight peak. And as we know, the speed of light is about 3 lakh kilometer per second. It takes 8 and quarter, means 8 minutes 15 seconds. So how much distance is there between earth and sun? We can see. Here in textbook 15 is also written, but there is now. Here you can write million, 15 million kilometers. One word is missing in textbook. Then again continuous typing is going on. Kalani Ria.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Continue.
Okay, sir. The surface of Sun is always unstable. It includes several kilometers long igniting fire flash. The Sun core is made up of hydrogen gas. It produces light and heat from the action of hydrogen and helium in air, which we call energy. So the surface of Sun is very hot. It is because of Sun's energy that organisms have developed on Earth. Thus, the Sun is always known as the guardian of
Again,
organisms.
the surface of the sun. It is unstable. As we know, it is like a fireball, so surface is unstable. Here, for several kilometer long fire we can see several kilometer long fires on the surface of the earth. And the core, whole sun, is made up of hydrogen gas. And it means sun produces light and heat from the action of hydrogen and helium. These two gases made actions on the sun, made fire, and because of this, it has light which reaches to the earth. We also call this light energy because sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The surface of the sun is very hot. Keep in mind, we are too much far from the sun, and in summer we cannot suffer the heat. Then we can imagine what kind of light would be there at the surface of the sun. It is too hot, and there are energy on the earth. It is because of the sun. Because of this light, energy developed on the earth, and that is why sun is called the guardian of organism. Means whatever life is there, sun is guardian of people. Yeah, Hackley. Read.
Yes, sir. Now let us verify
You please.
introduction. There are total 8 planets in solar family, among which Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are inner planets, while Jupiter, Saturn, Universe, Neptune are outer planets. The planets of Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn can be seen with the naked eyes.
After sun, we are moving towards solar family. Last paragraph of the page. We are going to discuss different planets. There are 8 planets in solar family. First four, Mars, Venus, Earth, and Mercury. These are called inner planets. Why? Next four, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are called outer planets. The planets of Mars, Mercury, and Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn can be seen with naked eyes. Means from the Earth, without any instrument, we can see these planets on some particular time and day. For other planets, we need special care, or in other words, we can say we need binocular, special kind of accessories